Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I hope you're liking everything that we're doing and putting out so far. And today we're going to be making from you, by request, from Greece, shrimps alla Spetsiota. I hope I pronounced it right for all the Greek people that's watching. And I hope you enjoy this one. Right, let's get on with it. I've scaled down this recipe a lot because it was quite a large recipe, and not everyone in my family eats the prawns, so I've scaled it down to what we can handle. So we've got a shopping list up, so if you look at the shopping list you can cut your one down to what you want to use and work it out that way. So our ingredients for today: got tomato, I've got some oregano, pepper and flat leaf parsley. I've got some feta cheese, onions, our prawns or shrimps, and some white wine. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. And in my pot I've got some olive oil. So that's the ingredients what we're going to be using for this one. Right, so we're going to get started on this. So we've got our pot on the fire, and we've got our olive oil which we just started to heat up. So we're going to put our onions in first. And you just want to soften these up, you don't want them to get too brown or anything. So these won't take that long to brown off. You don't want them brown, you just want them to get soft. So I'm just going to leave that for a little bit until when it gets brown. I keep saying brown, but it's just when it gets soft rather. And if you like what you're seeing, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And please do leave comments in the comment section. We do get back to you. And if you've got any suggestions for our cooks, just let us know in the comment section. If we can get the ingredients, then we'll do it for you. So that's our onions just softening up. We've got them about to where we want them. And what we've done, we've grated up our tomato. You can see we've grated it. and we're going to put that in. You want to just leave this till it thickens up a little bit. Right, so we've got our onions and tomatoes to where we want them now. So we're going to add our white wine. Then we're going to add the rest of our herbs. As you can see, I've added a little bit of salt to it. So we're just gonna let this go for a few minutes. Right, so we've got our ingredients thickening up now to where we want it. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's my fan oven which likes to make noise when you put it on. So I'm going to add to those the prawns. I'm just going to let those cook through for a couple of minutes. So we're just waiting for it to come back to the boil. We've got this on a medium flame. And remember, if you like to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comments section. We will get back to you. If you've got any suggestions of what you want to see us do, please put it forward. We only can see if we can get it done. If we can get the ingredients for it, then we'll give it a try. Right, so we've got our prawns to where we want them. We don't want them to cook too long, otherwise they get a bit rubbery. Then we're going to add our feta cheese to that now. and that's just going to melt down and thicken up the sauce a bit. And I like to thank the person from Greece who suggested this recipe for us. They want to remain anonymous, and we would like to give them thanks that we was able to get to do this for you today. So once this feta's melted down, then everything's ready to plate up. So this is a very nice and quick recipe. We've got most of our feta melted out now. Right, so that's all our feta melted out. You can see it's a nice thick sauce. So when we plate this up, we'll let you see the results. So this is it plated up. Our shrimp a la Spetsiota. And if you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.